Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Please, first of all, what you have to do is give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. For almost all our services are free, so we are giving you a complete service for free. So I just want to close most of these positions so that I can explain better on most of the positions, why I took the positions that I took, and why the trade has to be the way it is. For most of we do account management, VIP signals, and trading profit. So you can see for today, this is just a trade which I took now, and we made $267 in just a single trade. So which, if we have left the trade, would have made more than that. But as you guys may know, this is a ranging market, so we don't advise you to hold. So first of all, we check on the 1 hour time frame. So you see, for the past 1 hour, there was sorry sorry for that. So you can see for the past 1 hour that the market has been the market did a 4 hour sell, which is 1 2 3 4, which is 1 2 3 and 4. This is a 4 hour sale, and then it came back to do a 1 hour buy, and then this is almost 1 hour plus buy again. So the market as at now is on another buy position. So if you want us to double your equity, or you want a good signal, just check the link in the description. You're going to see the WhatsApp contact, or you're going to see our Telegram contact. So I haven't dropped a video for some time, or I haven't been on live stream for some time because I wasn't feeling too well. For those of you who knew and called and messaged me to know why I wasn't online frequently, I wasn't feeling too well. So please guys, if you want to support me in any way, just check the link in the description. You see my WhatsApp contacts, and that is it. So guys, before you make a trade, you have to check this reversal here, and then this. All these are necessary before you go you placing your entry position. But before I move ahead, let me quickly show you guys as our free signal group, where you'll be getting your signals for free to flip your account. And then if you want us to trade for you, the sector is open for account management and VIP signals, even mentorship, whatever one you want. You just check the link in the description. You're gonna see our WhatsApp contact. So let me quickly show you guys the signal group so we can continue, and let me show you why and how you enter in for the trade. These are signal group here, and if you watch, we flipped $96 into $300. You can see I just posted this. You can see it. So for those who want to message me on WhatsApp, this is my WhatsApp contact, and then for calls, this is my call contact. A lot of people have been calling. So these are our trade yesterday here. You can see how it ran. You can see the floor is open for everybody. You can see. So please guys, you can come for account management. Please guys, come for account management. Is actually open for all. Open for all guys. The background is open for all, so you can see everything is transparent. You can see for yourself, everything is transparent. Okay, you can see every single thing is transparent. So you can see here we changed $18, we converted it into $74, which is so massive. This is massive. This is most of our withdrawals. So that's for those who invested with us. So if you want to invest and make massive profit, you can invest as well. The investment ground is open. you can check us on social media. Check the link in the description. This is sales buy signal which I dropped. You can see how massive the buy signal went. You can see how massive the buy signal went. You can see it here, 1000 plus. You can see for yourself. These are all those who invested and those who we are paying out. These are the payments which we are paying out to those who invested on our platform. So the platform is open for you to invest, so you can invest with us, guys. It's completely free and open, so you can invest with us. So guys, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Let me quickly show you back on the video. All the services we are giving out to you guys is completely free, so the best you can do for us is to like, subscribe and join our any of our services, maybe our account management, and see how massive you can flip your account and how good we are in account management. So guys, just quickly let's switch over to back to the video so that you can understand more. So at the time of recording this video, the market is still on a range. You can see the market is still on the range. The market is still on the range. So this is how you go in for your entry position, and this is how you check out your sniper entry. So for your entry positions, you can check here, you can check here. So you can see how it ran over to this place here, and then if you check here, it boosts up down to this place. It's going to curve a little bit and then go back up. That's going to curve like this and then go back up. So that is it. That's how you enter for a position. So if you want the settings for this video, please check the link in the description and message me, so that I'll send out the link. I'll send the settings to you for this video. Guys, please join us. These are history for today. You can see this is the history for today, today's trade. This is the history, $226 on profit. So that is massive. So that's our history, and we'll be trading more. So thank you guys.